Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will show you how to use CamConnect Pro with Yamaha's Adecia RM-CG microphone array. This video is in 5 steps. We will explain what you need, then look at the microphone, camera and CamConnect Pro settings. Let's get started by looking at the items you will need. You will need a Lumens PTZ camera and CamConnect Pro as well as a Yamaha Adecia unit. Connect the Yamaha Adecia RM-CG to your local network and attach your camera to the PC. Now let's continue to the microphone settings. Step 2. Microphone settings. First, download the RM Device Finder application from the Yamaha website. Run the RM Device Finder app to discover the IP address of the microphone and press OK. Open a browser window and enter the IP of the Adecia RM-CG. The first time you do this, you will need to create a password for the device. After logging in, the main page of RM-CG Device Manager will display the status of the RM-CG. To make tracking more reliable and accurate, we will need to do the following. First, select Processing and click the A and B to check the exclusion area. Second, reduce the exclusion area and place it in corners of the room. Then enable Tracking Area Restriction. After the tracking and the exclusion areas have been set, press Submit to save your settings. Before leaving this page, deselect the exclusion area and press Submit again. Step 3. Setting up your cameras. Log into both the camera and CamConnect Pro web pages and ensure that the resolution settings match. The default format is 1080-60p. If required, the resolution of the Lumens camera can be adjusted using the camera's web interface. This section shows how it is done. Go to the camera list and press Connect to link the camera to CamConnect Pro. Find the Yamaha RM-CG device in the microphone setting. Press Connect to link both CamConnect Pro and the microphone. The Yamaha RM-CG supports an array azimuth angle of 180 to -180 degrees. This area is subdivided into 8 zones, each of which can be associated with a camera preset position. The schematic above shows a sound source detected in the -180 to 180 degree region. The azimuth angle in CamConnect Pro can be fine-tuned depending on the meeting room layout. Let's check it's all set up correctly. After ensuring both the ceiling microphone and camera are connected to CamConnect Pro, the camera will switch between meeting attendees based on voices detected by the Adecia ceiling microphone. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.